know them, you can or we just go for that prisoner.
But
No, who do they have?
If
that,
you lose
way,
this,
that way don't answer.
No. We have to be unedited, yeah.
Ah, yeah, you told that the radio.
Yeah, I try.
Well, I saw him going on his own.
So we
I could
just
see him and then he left.
sacrifice castle then, go get H-bar.
Co tutaj jest? Co dziecko?
I dużo pytań.
No.
Jest właśnie gdzie jest tej...
No to ja wyszłem z tej strony.
No,
Tu było pusto, od wody.
no.
Tu nikogo nie było. Tutaj było 4 kolesi. Zaraz przed tym wejściem.
What he said is, he checked the village. Village is clear now.
It was clear.
And he went to the H block from the fucking lake, and there was no one. They only on that side.
On that side.
So you want to go through to your
That was 5
from
minutes
the lake,
ago, you know. So
and we try to fucking shoot them from here, and then you can take them from the back. Which is, yeah,
Would it
makes
not be
sense.
easier if we all just went straight to H-bar?
Yeah, but there's 4 fellas we don't know where they are, and they should. You know, if you move in the forest, you'll be visible.
Okay.
If you go from the back, and we are that from the front.
Okay, yeah,
If
we'll
we,
go
you
from
know,
the
so
back.
you can take them. You can get them from the back.
Who's coming back then?
Yeah, me.
Your left? Yeah, 3 of you.
Me, Chris? Yeah,
And
3
we,
of
4
us.
of us will go out of the way.
You's going straight to front
Yeah,
then, we'll
yeah,
sit round.
yeah.
Grand.
Line them up.
Call sign is storm and then lightning.
Okay.
Okay.
No, storm and thunder.
Thunder.
Hear someone say
Storm.
storm, the response
We-
is thunder.
Thunder, okay. No.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Cool.
Giant stormy thunder. On the Putin, no łapie, on to się...
I know.
You know where the H block is, eh?
Jak idziemy drogą?